Okay, so continue with our class. We are going to do the activities related with the grammar now. Okay, let's start with this. It says, grammar. Completed and uncompleted past actions closely related to the present. You can use the present perfect for recently completed actions. We have the adverb just, recently, and lately often accompany this statement. Note, lately is rarely used in affirmative sentences. So we say, she's just been accepted to a great music program. That is that she has recently been accepted, okay? Something that has just happened. Have you checked the requirements for a driver's license lately? They have been revised, okay? So have you checked the requirements lately? Okay, so Spanish. Recién. Últimamente. Okay? Be careful. Use the simple past tense and not the present perfect to talk about actions completed at a specific time in the past. So we say, she applied for a position on the Oceanographic Academy last year. We don't say she has applied for a position last year, okay? So we use past simple when I want to say when exactly something happened. The present perfect continuous can describe an action that began in the recent past and continues in the present and is therefore uncompleted. So you can use recently and lately. So we say, they've been rejecting a lot of applicants recently. Remember, don't use the present perfect continuous with these stative verbs. So we don't use this with be, believe, hate, have for possession, know, like, love, own, seem, and understand. So we don't say, I've been owning this car for 2 years. Okay, Spanish, so you can understand. Estos verbos, okay, son static verbs. Generalmente no los usamos con continuos. Yo no digo estoy teniendo, estoy creyendo, estoy odiando, okay, he estado odiando, no. We don't say that. You hate or you don't hate. You hate it or you didn't hate, okay, but we don't say I've been hating. You get it? The following adverbs are used only with the present perfect and not the present perfect continuous because the signal are complete actions. Ever, never, before, already, yet, still, so far, once, twice, and 3 or any times. Have you ever thought of enrolling in a teaching program? I never have. She still hasn't signed up for driver's ed. Okay, so this is the homework, okay, for this lesson. It's going to be related with this part of the grammar. But before doing that, okay, we're going to do exercises. So you have to choose the correct verb to complete each statement. So we have here some alternatives. Okay, so remember, you write this down in your copybook, okay, and then we are going to check it here and finally here. So let's see. It says, last month I applied to an aeronautical engineering program. Why apply to? In past simple, because you said exactly when this happened. When did it happen? Last month. Okay, but I still haven't received an acceptance letter. It's really hard to get in, and I'm a little pessimistic because no one I know has been accepted recently. Okay, the difference between this one and this one. Number 2, Mary and Emma have signed up for the teacher development program yet. Haven't signed up, okay? And this is another adverb, yet, que significa aún en este caso, okay? Todavía o aún no se han inscrito. There is a problem because the in-class sessions started last week. Lately, however, more and more people have been taking the course remotely. Right? Very easy. Okay, so the activity for this week is going to be related with grammar vocabulary of this lesson number 2. In case you have any questions, any inquiry, or you want to perform, okay, somehow better because you need to talk with me, just let me know. Okay, good.